Right. Hi YouTube.
Well played.
I'm just restarting the video. So we got Lemon Pie, Sniffy Airsuit, McChicken, Sir Digby. I think that's everybody. And we're just in a call at the minute because yeah.
Gaming.
Yeah. So just doing a new demo on the GLaDOS assistant. We've now reached 450, well, 1 lines of code, not including lots of space, but all sorts of other stuff, and wasted space on that. But I'm going to give it a run, and just that simple. We're just going to see what it does. So now we've got this nice fancy. Ooh, one sec. There's shell. We've got this nice fancy little tkinter window pops up.
I'm a tkinter.
And it's got obviously the portal symbols, which is very cool.
It's the Python thing.
And yeah, basically, when you say the activation word, it'll then start displaying anything you say up here until you close the program again. Or you can enter commands manually without having to use the keyword through this new text box system. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a try. Hey GLaDOS. Well, that worked. It was still reading the other bit. Hey GLaDOS.
Hello again.
Alright, so now you can see it's reading it at the top. There. So the commands haven't really changed much. There's nothing really new. But basically the entire program has had an entire rework. And if I was to start a song in, say, well, it'll probably pick me up saying that, so I'll just stop talking for a sec.
Can someone make a rotate, please?
Oh, good.
There we go. Okay, so there's 2 real ways to cease playing. I'm not going to say... well, yeah, so you can either say stop, or when the song is playing.
Not bad.
There we go. You can type stop into this new text box. Oh, for God's sake, I keep saying it accidentally. Oh well. Anyway, you can start the song here as well.
Okay, fine.
So that's playing, I think, Cara Mia Dio at the minute. And you can still say stop through the voice commands. There you go. So yeah, that's pretty cool at the moment. I've also started redeveloping, so I'll just have a quick run through of what I've done to the program. Basically, we've stuck the main function is now in a separate subroutine, and then all the commands are in another separate subroutine, so that then I can either get the arguments for the command subroutine from the voice recognition subroutine, which then uses the predefined subroutine up here, the recognizer one, or we can use this new little one just in the middle here. It's called submit entry button, and basically that's based on the entry button on the GUI here, and it just takes whatever's in here, and when you click the submit button, it's gonna get what's in there as a string. It's gonna turn it to lowercase because I like it all to be consistent, although it only does that. Well, it doesn't actually display it up here, so it wouldn't make any difference. And then it just clears what's in this box. It prints it just for debugging purposes, so we should have that all popping up in here. Yeah, this is still just giving me all the debugging stuff. And then it just calls on the subroutine to do the what you've typed in. That's basically the biggest change at the moment. Oh, and also I've put all this tkinter stuff in, which is really not very fun. So yeah, thanks for watching.